Oh my god, I am completely speechless right now because receiving just this box from Shea Moisture has been just, I have been super impatient with this. I've been waiting for
a long periodically time
for what seems like years, actually a few years, since I started using Shea Moisture back in like 08, 09, and now I have a box being sent to me that says hello beautiful. They know who I am. I'm absolutely floored. I'm speechless. Again, I thought I would have everything in my head once I got this box, and I knew what I was gonna say and I knew what I was gonna do, but receiving it was like receiving a blessing in the mail. First of all, it was a storm, which took longer for me to receive the package, which I got a little nervous because it's actually, to be honest with y'all, we're going through a lot in life, so this was a beacon of hope and light, and I needed this. I needed this. It's more than just good hair and good skin. It is everything to me. It's what I believe in. It's what I breathe. I'm always talking about it. I'm always striving for different ways or different techniques to, again, not just make my skin and hair better, but also my life. So, oh my god, I can't. So this is me receiving my first box as a Shea Moisture ambassador. I just wanted to say shout out to everybody who's supporting me on this journey, who's been liking photos, reposting, tagging, sending me videos, sending me, I don't think you understand how many text messages and phone calls I get when you guys are out shopping for facial products or hair products or skin products for your babies, and you're like, which one should I get? Not even like, which brand should I get? Y'all know y'all want Shea Moisture, but y'all like, what product should I get? So I am just ecstatic, blessed, and forever grateful. Thank you guys so much, so much, and thank you so much, Shea Moisture, for allowing me to be crazy with y'all, pretty much. Thank you, Shea Moisture, for giving me the opportunity to be myself and express what I feel of your products and how it has changed my life and how it has impacted others around me, because I'm clearly one of those who endorse the product without being paid or without receiving any of this, I don't know what's in here yet, goodness, but I just promise to make you guys happy. I promise to be brutally honest, as I always am with the products. Now let's get straight into the video. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you always know, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. No, boom. I'm super excited. I'm ready to bust this baby open, so let's get straight into it. First of all, the box is so cute. Just look at that. So I knew opening this box and getting it was gonna be a little overwhelming, but I didn't think that the emotion that kind of just came through me and chills that I just felt was gonna happen. I've been waiting for this for so long. I remember sending out emails and it was just like, no, now is not the time. They're not looking for any ambassadors, and I'm just blessed. I am extremely blessed, and I thank you guys for everything. I'm just gonna get straight into this because look what's in this box. Goodies. Look how pretty that is. And the best, I didn't have to pay for this. I didn't have to pay for nothing. Oh my god, it came, okay. African black soap and bamboo charcoal, clarify and refresh blemish prone skin. Oh man, this is amazing. Ooh, and I got some new hair in the box too. Oh, this is like getting bundles. Oh my god. So let's just, okay, get straight into the products. I got a little Shea Moist. Oh, I cannot believe this. So I got a bowl with some warm to, well, it's not really warm, it's like lukewarm water. And I also have a fresh towel here. I'm just gonna go ahead and dip it in the water a little bit. I usually apply scrubs with a damp face, so that's what I'm gonna do now. So I usually apply to damp skin, and let's just see what it says here. It comes with like an info card, which is really cool. Gently buffs away dead skin cells and aids in absorbing excess oils. Apply to damp skin. Gently massage onto body using circular motions. Rinse thoroughly, use once or twice as required. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, oh, got a safety seal. Let me pop that off first. Oh, it smells just like the African soap stuff that they've been producing already. Now, if you know me, you know I always had Shea Moisture African soap products, so this is just gonna go straight to the collection. The packaging looks different. Looking at this packaging compared to, I have some of the older products here, to this packaging, it still has the black and orange traditional letters, except this one looks a little more matte, while this looks, I don't know, it looks different. The whole line, this one is the conditioner, the shampoo, problem mask, and the problem skin moisturizer. None of that came in the box. I just had it here just to let you guys know that I've been rocking with them for a while, and I've been using the black soap for a while. This one has bamboo charcoal added into it as well, so I'm super excited to use it, and now I am. So I usually just go ahead and put some on my 2 fingers. Some people use brushes and some people use beauty blenders. I'm gonna just go in with my finger and go. You guys, oh, my skin feels so clean. Obviously after one use and the first use, you won't see drastic changes as far as how my skin feels. It definitely feels soft, and like I definitely just put an scrub on it. I can feel it drying up now. So what I'm also gonna do, I'm gonna go straight into the next product. However, this smells really good. Bamboo charcoal body scrub with tea tree oil. I definitely smell the tea tree oil. I feel like I smell a little tamarind or orange citrus like in it. I do feel not a bad tingling sensation, but like something has just been put on my skin. Definitely, I do scrubs twice a week. I do it on Wednesdays and I do it on Sunday. That's just my scrub rotation. So I'm actually 2 days behind because I was waiting for something to come. I didn't know a scrub was gonna be in here, so I'm super excited that one wasn't here because now I can put this new one in my rotation. I used the Shea Moisture Men, I'll grab it for you. The Shea Moisture Men facial scrub one. So now I can use this one, which I'm super excited about. So I'm gonna jump straight into the next product, which is the African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Detoxifying Foam Facial Wash with Aloe. Deeply cleanses and detoxifies skin of dirt, impurities, and makeup. Sulfate free. Shake to activate. Pump dispenser 1 to 2 times and massage into damp face. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. So this is used daily. Give it a shake. I want me to do 2 pumps. Look at that. Of course I will over pump. Nice and foamy. Oh, this is so cool. I've never done a facial foam before. I feel so evil. Oh, this is so cool. It's so refreshing. It smells like mint. Very herbal, very earthy. Don't taste like nothing. Don't think I'm supposed to taste anything. Oh, my skin feels so soft. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, okay. It's with warm water and pat dry. And yes, I changed the bucket of water out. So we're gonna go in. Here we go. Oh, this smell, it also smells like cleaning products, but not anything like bleach or anything, like minty cleaning products. I like this a lot. So, Shea Moisture, if you're watching, we need more of these. This smells so good, it's so refreshing, it's cooling. Definitely feels like it's soothing and nourishing my skin, and that's what I like. So this is a check in my mouth. What was the scrub? So the scrub. Alright, so the last one that came in the box is the Shea Moisture African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Hydrating Gelee Moisturizer with Aloe. So obviously with aloe, it's gonna be probably cooling just as well. Jelly, I'm a little nervous about, but let's just try it. Excuse my nails, y'all. I didn't get them done this week. To our little product card. Hydrates with an ultra light gel formulation while helping balance oily, blemish prone skin. That is so cool. After a thorough cleanse, apply the African Black Soap Charcoal Hydrating Gelee Moisturizer to face and neck with upwards motion. Nice. So this says after cleansing and toning, apply to face and neck upward motion just the same way as the product card does. So let's go ahead and open this. You know I have to smell it. Okay, so it definitely has the blacks. Oh my god. It's like, I don't know if y'all can see that. Jelly or gel, obviously gel. Never mind. I'm just gonna use the product that's in the top because I'm not gonna waste any products. So, oh, this is a lot. I'm just gonna use that dollar amount. And let's go ahead and, so much I have. Not that much. Let's go ahead and rub it, activate it. It says use an upward motion. Oh. Okay, so it's a little liquidy. It's not like any of the moisturizers I've had from Shea before. But it's actually really, really, really soothing. It doesn't feel like tacky. Afterwards, it definitely feels a little smooth. I feel a little cooling sensation going on. That was different. This whole box was different because one, I've never used any products with bamboo in it. Two, thingy is really, really cool. And I've never used a, let me close this before I spill it, a Gelee moisturizer. So this was a great first package. I'm extremely excited to see what the next packages are gonna look like, especially if they're this good and this creative. Don't worry guys, my hair is gonna grow. I'm growing it back. It's getting a little curly now. As you can see, I'm sporting some waves. Still using my Shea Moisture though. Using the hibiscus and coconut so it curl up a little bit. But once I get enough hair, I'll be able to sport my Shea Moisture cap. I know you see it. Let's get this. Yes. Boy, if y'all don't put me on a magazine or in a commercial, something is wrong. Do you see this? What can I say? They knew what they was doing when they sent me a box that said hello beautiful. You know what? Y'all play all day, every day. Shay. Anyways, that looks like it's gonna be all the first box products, which I'm super blessed and fortunate for. Thank you guys again so much. I appreciate this so much, Shea Moisture. Thank you so much for letting me use my platforms and just my crazy antics to not just endorse but to share what you guys are striving towards. And it's a great cause, and it's not just hair and skin, it's way bigger than that. I'm gonna coin every day is a Shea Day. So if you hear that, it's from me, from my channel. Don't forget about it, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you for allowing me to have my own a million ways to Shea. I hope you guys loved the video. Again, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Stay tuned. I'll have more videos in the future, not just with boxes, but with other Shea Moisture products. I can't wait to share them with you guys, and I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to drop a comment on my Instagram or in the comment box to let me know what you guys think of these products, how they smell, how they taste, even though you shouldn't be tasting them, where you can find them at. All these products at Target. I'm pretty sure you also can go to the Shea Moisture website and find them there. They do have special offers with orders over usually over $35 where you get free shipping. They usually ship in the United States as well. So go ahead, get you some. Go ahead, like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. All right, again, every day is a Shea Day, and until next time, I'm out.